Hey and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to add breadcrumbs to your pages with the help of JetBlocks plugin. So first of all, let's go to Pages, and what you've got in here is a list of the pages that you have on your website. I'm just gonna go to About page and go to WordPress editor, and what I'm gonna see here is the page settings, including use breadcrumbs. Toggle this to yes, don't forget to update, and go to edit with Elementor. Right here on this page, I'm gonna create one more section and type in breadcrumbs, and it's gonna show me a breadcrumbs widget. I grab it and drop it on a new section. And what I have is some general settings, like show the page title and the tag for the title. Whether I want to show prefix or not, and I can also create a custom prefix. Here I can tweak the look of the separator. It can be either an icon that you can choose from this list, or it can be a custom separator. That can really be anything that you wish. Also, if your path is gonna be really long, you can set the path type to minified, and it's gonna shorten the path if it's really way too long. You can also align it to the right, left, or center. And in the style settings, you can tweak the typography on normal, hover, or on the current. Then you can tweak the padding. So if you want some space on top of it and under it, you can just set the custom padding. You can set the border if you wish, and the border radius for the border that you choose. And then you can change the separator style, which is the gap between the separator and the links. The size of the icon, if you chose your icon to be a separator. The color, the background color, and also the padding of the icon and border radius. Okay, let's save our changes. And go and preview what we have done. So now you know how to add breadcrumbs to our pages with the help of JetBlocks plugin. If you like the video, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.